Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through how to create an email campaign using Simvoly. Let's get started. First, log into your Simvoly account using the link in the description and navigate to the Contacts section. Now click on the Emails and Automations option on the left side bar. Here you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your email campaigns. To create a new campaign, click on the New Campaign button. You'll be prompted to give your campaign a name and select a template. Simvoly offers a variety of professionally designed templates to choose from, so pick one that fits your branding and goals. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the editor, where you can customize the content of your email. You can easily add text, images, buttons, and other elements using the drag-and-drop editor. Simvoly also allows you to personalize your emails by adding merge tags for recipient names, email addresses, and other custom fields. This helps create a more personalized experience for your subscribers. Once you're happy with the design of your email, it's time to set up your email list. You can either use an existing list or create a new one directly within Simvoly. Simply import your contacts or add them manually, and you're good to go. Next, you'll need to set up your email sending settings. This includes selecting a sender name and email address, as well as configuring any additional settings such as reply to addresses and tracking options. Before you send your email, be sure to preview it to make sure everything looks good on different devices and email clients. Once you're satisfied, you can schedule your email to be sent immediately or at a later date and time. And that's it. With Simvoly, creating an email campaign is quick and easy. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing updates, or nurturing leads, Simvoly's email marketing tools have you covered. Now let's talk about why Simvoly is better than AWeber for creating email campaigns. Simvoly offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to create visually appealing emails without any coding knowledge. Additionally, Simvoly provides a seamless integration with its website builder, allowing users to maintain consistent branding across their website and email campaigns. With advanced automation features and customizable templates, Simvoly provides a more streamlined and efficient email marketing experience compared to AWeber. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly and AWeber for free.